If you're a student or looking for work right now, your feed is likely swamped with endless, flashing promises of easy digital money. You have a smartphone, a decent internet connection, and zero startup capital, but you're paralyzed, wondering which of these opportunities is real and which is just going to drain your time. Let's set the record straight right now. Earning $2,000 a day from your desk is an entirely real target, but generating that money by tomorrow morning is a mathematical fiction. Look at this comparison table. The left side breaks down the internet myth we've all been sold. It promises high payouts with zero skills, 10 minutes of daily effort, and instant wealth. Chasing that setup guarantees burnout. You will jump from app to app, inevitably ending the month with exactly 0 rupees to show for it. Now look at the right side. This is the reality of the digital economy. You still use your smartphone, but you commit 2 to 4 highly focused hours every single day, and you master exactly one core skill. When you apply that baseline, your income scales. You pull in 500 rupees a day, then 1,000, and eventually push past that 2,000 rupee mark as you gain experience. We are going to evaluate 5 specific digital business models right now. We aren't looking at the hype. We are judging them strictly on their return on investment for your specific daily hours. Because the internet is not a lottery ticket. It is a ruthless, highly efficient marketplace that pays you exclusively for the skills you bring to it. The first category we need to weigh is active digital services. We're looking at how quickly these put cash in your pocket versus the daily time they demand. This quadrant chart maps the playing field. The bottom shows how fast you get your first paycheck. The side measures maximum daily income. Let's drop freelancing and AI services onto the board. They sit firmly on the left because money comes fast. Your daily input here is highly technical. You sit down and operate tools like Canva for design, ChatGPT for writing scripts, or editing software for clients. Your first few gigs pay little, but as your portfolio thickens and speed increases, you charge 1,000 to 5,000 rupees per project. Plotting online teaching pushes us further left for speed, but lower on the maximum income scale. If you already understand high school math, English, or basic computer logic, your input is just showing up and delivering scheduled, live instruction to students. There is a strict limitation to all 3 of these active paths. Your rupees are permanently tied to your hours. If you get sick and stop generating those AI captions, or you log off from your tutoring session early, your daily revenue instantly drops to 0. Active income paths are incredible survival tools for immediate cash flow. But because you only have 24 hours in a day, they place a hard cap on your total wealth. That brings us to the opposite end of the spectrum, the models built entirely for scale. Back to our chart, we plot YouTube and affiliate marketing on the far right. Payout is initially slow, but the ceiling is uncapped. Your work requires building content that solves problems for an audience. Notice the revenue line stays flat before sharply curving up. Within that content, you utilize affiliate marketing. You recommend a product you use to solve that problem, and when a viewer clicks your link to buy it, you take a percentage commission on the sale. Eventually, a successful piece of content creates a web of income. You pull in ad revenue, secure sponsorships, and collect those affiliate commissions simultaneously. That video stays live permanently. It answers questions and generates sales at 3 a.m. while you are asleep, and your computer is shut down. But you have to survive the desert phase first. You will spend months dedicating your 2 to 4 hours a day to recording and editing, earning absolutely nothing in return. Building digital assets yields the highest mathematical return on your time, but it is strictly for those with an ironclad tolerance for delayed gratification. To hit that 2,000 rupee daily mark, you have to trade either your active labor right now or build digital leverage for later. Let's use this flowchart to figure out where to start. The central question is, what is your primary constraint? If time is your constraint and you cannot wait, follow the downward branch leading directly to freelancing, AI services, or teaching. Choose this path if you desperately need a 500 rupee return this month to stay motivated and prove this works. The other branch is for those who can wait for scale. This leads straight to YouTube and affiliate marketing. Only commit to this side of the board if your bills are covered. You need the financial runway to work uncompensated for 6 to 12 months without stressing over rent. Whatever you do, do not attempt to execute all 5 of these at once. That is the easiest way to guarantee you fail at every single one of them. Success in this competitive digital space comes entirely from carving out one single deep groove of true expertise. Pick exactly one skill today. Commit 2 to 4 hours, go to the comments below and declare, "I am starting online earnings today." And subscribe, because we will break down exactly how to optimize your specific choice in upcoming videos.